ever had any shoulder pain doing lateral raises, go ahead and listen to this video that might give you a little bit of technique changes that will alleviate a lot of your pain. You can start with your feet side by side or split stance. The dumbbells are going to be in front of your thighs with a slight lean forward in your upper body, taking the dumbbells out to a 45-degree angle. This is called the scapular plane or the shoulder plane, and this is often where your shoulder performs best without any clicking and pain. This may be a little bit tricky to adapt because you want to make sure that you don't lean too far forward, that it turns into a rear delt fly, and that you're still hitting that medial delt, which is the side of your shoulder. So beforehand, oftentimes people will do lateral raises with the dumbbells straight by their side and going out at a 90-degree angle. This is not going to be great for your shoulder. It performs better at a 45-degree angle. So again, slight lean forward, starting with the dumbbells in front of your legs and raising your elbows to about shoulder height. A common mistake I see with clients when they first do these is that they try to get the most out of the exercise and they're raising their arms way above their shoulder and their head. So focus on just bringing your elbows to about shoulder height, but keeping your arms in that 45-degree angle, that scapular plane, and with a slight lean forward in your upper body. If you're still experiencing some shoulder pain, go ahead and drop the weight and see if that helps, but also make sure that you're not rounding your shoulders when doing this exercise. So oftentimes before beginning this exercise, I will roll my shoulders back, then lean forward into that position before beginning. That will make sure that I'm in the upright position with a slight forward lean in my upper body.